also mad.
Grand and miraculous spaceship. Our plan is to sail on through the universe of time, and for a brief moment, we shall be among its passengers. Where we go, and what kind of connection will we discover? Surprisingly, the answers lie within us. Since the short period of history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world.
That much.
Yes, this hostile world is our story beginner. We're in, struggling to survive, until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can hunt as a team and survive together.
Oh,
It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next bright idea, recording our knowledge on cave walls. It's only one simple problem. When we leave, the recorded knowledge stays behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown beginner, pounding reeds is inventing papyrus. Papyrus in turn creates better record keeping, plans, signs, and unfortunately taxes. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilization.
You see that some of the presidents are in here, and a lot of these guys, the
At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who traded with absolutely, they created a simple common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn the ABCs? That's the Phoenicians. They invented
Sofia et lidu κατακυθέν. Ουρανός δε ιέ, κατέχουν μάνα μυστήρια. Και τη χώρα λίωθια. Your statue, we are Aurelia Aduna.
But then we hit a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. All soon It turns out there were copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. According to the first backup system, the books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. In the meantime, here in Europe, monks toil endlessly recording books by hand. That is about to change. In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel faster than movement and travel
Hundreds gathered today. Witness the driving of a golden spike. Transcontinental Railroad.
By now, we're all communicating from anywhere on Earth. After 1969, from somewhere to send a man to the moon, we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first very large and expensive. There is big as a house. The solution comes in, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. After 30,000 years of time travel, here we are, a truly global community, poised to shape the future of this, our spaceship Earth.
You are not looking back to return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention. You are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention. You are now rotating backward for your return to Earth.
say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say,
Oh my.
future.
Oh my god.
Here in your
Where's your
Ladies and
face?
gentlemen, our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly. Thank you.
thanks to handy household robots with fruits and vegetables. Recyclable tiny home distilled sunlight ultra powerful to every family custom like a circular system. And the walls will be filled with natural materials so that your earth won't have rocks, which also provides gems and for energy consumption. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car's whole graphic gaming technology keeps you safe from friends back home.
Please remain seated. Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Remain seated, please. Our travels are resuming now.
Where am I though? Where am I? You're in space, but I'm not in space. Where am I?
Every day is Earth Day. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
No, they get worse and worse every year.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that will take and go together. See you in the future.
I was hoping you did that. I could just smile.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to your project tomorrow, where you might share inspiration or even tell us the world in their place tomorrow. You will be endured a little bit of honor. Please keep your hands straight to the word and carefully along the movie.